Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. We meet again in another episode of Hanis's Artistic Studio. Today's theme is craft and we are going to make an animation mask. So let's see what we need for today. So what we need for today is a pair of scissors, some rubber bands, a plate that is about the same size as your face, a paper puncher to make holes, and then you also need a pencil and eraser to draw, a very strong piece of cardboard or a paper, something like that, and some decorations. I am going to use these magic colors or markers and some of these color pencils to decorate my mask. So let's switch the screen to start making our animation mask. So to get started, just take your plate and put it on the cardboard and then make a circle. But I already did that so that I won't waste your time that much. So now, after that you have to cut it out with your scissors. Now let's draw it. Draw the picture of the animation in version of you. So guys can draw in your version of how to draw yourself. But I'm going to draw in my version of how to draw myself. So I'm going to draw as big as this big cardboard. I have to make sure it's the same size about that. If you have lots of space at the back, you can always use your markers or color pencils to decorate it. Okay, so now I just go up here. I'm gonna wear my headscarf, tudong in Malay. Now we draw the eyes, but first I have to find where's the nose to find the center. So here's the nose, and here's the eyes. One dot here and one dot over here. So now, since I already know the nose is here, these two are the eyes. So over here, I'm gonna go curve, and then make an eyelash. Doing the same thing on the other side. Curve. And then I'm gonna make a little eyelash. So now, starting from here on the other side, I'm gonna go down and then go up again. You can always take your eraser and erase if you get it wrong. That's why I told you to get your erasers. Alright, so now over here, there. I'll just erase a bit over here. Okay, now draw an oval inside, and then draw another one, but on the sides of it to make it the eye color. Then do the same thing on the other side. Over here and over here. Same thing on this side. Then make some highlights like this on the side. And then do the same thing on the other side. And so, shade it in. Then the other side, the same thing. Shade it in. Alright. So now over on this top, darken it a bit darker because it's an eyelash like that. And the same thing goes to the other side. Okay, now the nose. We are draw a dot here. So let's just go down, out, and back in. Now I'm gonna draw my glasses. To draw my glasses, I'm just gonna make a round circle. Like this. Make sure it's bigger than the eye, not too close. Alright, so here. Okay, then draw the inside of it. Draw another circle inside to make another lap for the glasses. Alright. don't worry, later you'll cover it so then it won't look that terrible. Then do the same thing on the other side. Just make a circle. There we go. I'm just gonna end it on this side, then another circle inside here. Alright. Here we go. Okay. There. Now from here, just make a line to connect it. And nose, you can erase it a bit. Maybe erase this line. Okay, so now just do this, do that, do this. Okay, so there. That's the eye settle. Now for the mouth. The mouth, just make a big smile and then curve on the side and then curve it together like that. Then draw a tongue. So I'm going to draw it like this. A bump inside. There. Now I'm just going to draw a little small one line over here. And draw the tudung. So just go curving around my face. Like that. Alright. Curve. Alright. Then stop here. Now the top, I'm just gonna make it a bit better. Make it a little bit higher like that. So then from here, go out. Okay. Then I'm just gonna curve this together. There. Then I'll draw a line here. Now the body. The body, I'm just gonna go down here. Down here. Then I'm gonna do this on the side and go down. As if there's long sleeves like that. Just going down. Okay. Alright. So, there. That is done for drawing. So now, let's just take this away for a moment and take out your rubber bands. Now, the rubber bands, I want you to do like this. Okay, first, I want you guys to take 2 rubber bands and do like this. Like this, okay? Oh, sorry. My rubber band fell out. So then, make like a plus sign over here and pull the inside like this. Okay, pull the inside. So then you pull together these 2. Alright, there. Now you have 2 bowls like that. Now from there, take one side out another and pull. Alright, and so there. It's a chain like that, see? Now do the same thing again and again with the other bands. So I'm just gonna, or this time, you do this, a small loop, put this on top, then this one curve like that, like it's a sandwich. You pull it, then there's a line over here. Pull that line, and there. Do the same thing over and over again until you finish the whole of your rubber bands. Now, you have to make sure it's as long to go around your head. So this is my chain. See? Right. Oh, sorry. My chain. There. So I hope this is as long as my face. So let me just put that aside. Take out my paper again and take out the paper puncher. So you're not going to use two sides, you're just going to use one side. So just slip it in on this side, over here like this, and punch it. Okay, one hole there. Now the other side. To find out where the other side, I want you guys to make it the same. So just take your pencil maybe and make it as long as this, so you'll know where to put the next hole. So I think it's about over here. I think it's here. So just put it in. Paper puncher. Hopefully I got this right. And punch. Okay, it's not that same, but at least it's good. Alright. So now I want you guys to put this through. Okay, try to put this through. Alright, see? Put this through. Now the other side. Put the other one through. Try to just pull it through. Okay. I want you to pull these two. Just try to tie it on this side. So yeah. Tie it together like this. Put it through, something like that. Or try to find knots that you can do to try to make it stay. I'm not so good in these knots that much, okay? I'm trying to figure out what to do. Okay, do like this. Take this and make a knot. Okay, take this and put it through and do a knot. Come on, knot. Knot. Alright, yay. A knot. So tie it together. Alright, now the other side. Take this long one, put it together like this. Oh, come on. Alright, then put this through the hole that you made and pull it out. Come on, pull it out, pull it out. Okay, yay. There. So, we already put it on. Now all that's left is coloring, but I think we are finished for now. So now that we're finished, let's color it, but I need some help from my two assistants today. Presenting my two assistants, Mika and Adam. This is Adam. Say hi, Adam.
Hello. Hi.
And this is Mika.
Hi.
Sorry. So, I need you guys to help me for today. So let's flip this over. Now, can you guys put your two hands on it? Okay, this is Adam's hand. This is Mika's hand. So, you're going to say the magic words. 1, 2, 3, flip. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Adam, okay?
Okay.
So, now let's flip it in the magic words. Ready? Say it together. 1, 2, 3, flip. Alright, so now you guys just let it down. Alright, now let's see how it's colored. Oh, wow. It's very nice, guys. Now there's some hearts here. And there's even my whole face colored. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Adam.
Hey, you're welcome.
Alright, thanks, Mika.
Welcome.
Alright, so you guys can color it just like this. Or, my brother did this. See this? It's Pink Panther, colored nicely, and it's just like mine, but a bit bigger, and it's Pink Panther. It's animation cartoon, but my one is a bit different. So you guys can color it just like that, or you can use your creativity and draw it, or color it better than mine, or something. Okay, so let's switch the screen. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my animation mask. Don't forget to give us a like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my newest or upcoming videos. Don't forget to leave a comment below of what you think of this video as well. Thank you and goodbye. Assalamualaikum.